welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be spending the next 2 days up in Kenora, Ontario, Lake of the Woods. We'll be going on 2 guides each of the days, and we'll be fishing for musky, walleye, lake trout, bass, pike, perch, so pretty much everything up in this lake. So, stay tuned. Got one. You see some on the sonar or on scope, whatever. On the bottom here.
That's always good. Picking waves.
Do you ice fish out here a lot?
Yep. Yeah, you can drive your truck pretty much wherever you want out here. Get them?
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, it's a perch.
Jumbo perch.
Big perch.
Yep. Oh, nice.
Yeah, bigger than the one I got yesterday.
I got it.
You got one too?
That's a nice perch. What is in
Yeah,
his
let him go.
mouth? What the heck?
Open the box, bud.
Where is it?
Right there.
Oh, another
Just drop it. Oh, just drop it. Let him go.
That's a nice perch right there.
Perch down there.
That's the one.
Just a little guy.
You get it out? Okay, good.
You got one?
I'll keep it a little bit off bottom. If you sit there on the bottom like that, not only do you not catch fish, but you're going to get snagged. Keep it up. That far.
Camera's not on my head anymore. I gotta let this pod charge.
Get it up off bottom, then hold it. The bottom doesn't change that much that quick, right? They won't come up a little forward or go down a little forward. But there's a fish. No, that's bottom. But they're sitting on top of fishing, and there's all kinds of them here on this ledge at about 27, 29. That's no fair. You were watching me when I was fishing. Now you know how to do it.
Yeah, learn from the best.
That's what happened, right? You were sitting there watching me, and then all of a sudden now you're doing exactly what I was doing.
You have the strategies.
It's nothing that I didn't tell you, though. I told you exactly what I do, right? I put it on the bottom, I pick it up about 2-3 inches, and I just bounce it real gentle with the rod. I don't jig it, I just barely shake the rod, right? Just feel it just on the waist.
We just got on some fish right here. We're just using a light jig now and a worm. Just have a. Oh, I just missed one. I should stop talking.
Get your bud? Yeah, give it a try. See what happens.
Should stop talking. Focus on it.
I'm stuck on the bottom.
It came up off the floor before you got, bumped on it.
There we go.
Got him?
Yeah.
Walleye. Not too bad.
Just gonna let him go, eh?
Let him go?
He ate that little piece of a worm, did he?
Yeah. We're hungry enough. Oh. Knock it off. These ones aren't very sizable, but they'll do for lunch. We just gotta get on that 30. That's what I want. Got him? Nicer one?
No, I don't think so. It is actually. Yep. Well, nicer than I thought.
Well guys, we just got back from the guide. Well, not just, like an hour ago. And before my camera died, we went out for lunch with the fish we caught. And we cooked it over like a propane fire. And that was really good. And then we went back out for some perch out in the canal. We caught a few jumbos. And then we decided to go for pike. Wasn't really successful there for big ones. We caught a few bass, a few tiny pike, but that was about it. And so I decided to come back out here since we didn't catch that much and try to catch some bass. I charged up my camera and we should get some last action of the day. At first I'm gonna go off these rocks over here that you can see right there, or right now the other way on the camera, whatever. And I'm gonna be using a lipless crankbait off the rocks, and if that doesn't work, or if it does, I'm still gonna do it anyways. We're gonna be slip bobbering off the dock behind me. So we've been pretty successful out here with slip bobbering and rattle traps. So meet you over there. These are the rocks I'm gonna be fishing off of. The first night I was pretty successful here with bass. They came right off the rocks, and I caught not a big pike, but a decent one. Today was really fun. The guide, I think his name was Dean, he was really cool, really chill. He was talking about how he's been a guide for 48 years. It's really cool. I think we're just hitting rocks here. Oh, I got one. Oh, it's small. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Tell me you guys just saw that. Oh my god. Holy shit, it's huge. It's taking me. Oh my. Hopefully it doesn't break me off. I'm gonna loosen my drag. It's big. It's big. It came just swiped up at there. Holy. Oh my god. This is the pike that we're after. I think this, as long as I play my cards right, I think this should be good enough braid to hold it. Oh, I snagged him. Oh, he came off. Oh my gosh. He went for the bait and it foul hooked him in the top, in the spine. Oh, and then he Oh my. I can't believe I just got that on camera. Holy crap. Oh my god. That's insane. It was a little bit smaller than I thought in the water, but that's still biggest one I've seen this week. Oh my. Maybe if I actually got him in the mouth, I would have got him in. But he swiped at my bait and he didn't get the hook, so it just hooked him in the spine. Well, that was a surprise. Here, I'll dock it, like, right up here. Nope, 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 nope. Okay. This guy's dripping over there. Oh, yeah. Love that. I'll tell you what, too. That there is so much crawfish, like dead crawfish just in general, everywhere scattered on islands, bottom of the lake. I don't know if I should be on this, but it looks pretty fishy, and that's why I should be on it. Yep. It's a smaller one. Bring it over to the side here. Should just dock flip it. Yeah. I'll tell you what though. These freaking smallmouth are some flippers when they come out of the water. Like, especially these smaller ones. Look at that accent. Upper two right there. Just a little small one. Bye-bye. Oh, he's right there. He just went out of the dock. Can fish down here. It would just be really cool to own one of these houses on the island. Most of the people on the lake have boat garages, like boat houses. Ooh. My butt is getting soaked. Maybe, you never know, that cast could be a fish. No, it wasn't though. So. Might push me kinda. I think my finger's gonna stop, yeah. Well, now it's fixed. Yep, that's one. It's so small. These things fight so hard for their size. That's like the size that this is like the exact size. Oh! Ow! Spiked me. Get out of here. God, don't want anything to do with him. Too small for my interest. That's like the exact size. Oh, we hit the thing. It's the exact size the northern swiped at. luck in front of this point, but I think I'm gonna try this shoreline, work my way down it. The thing about these islands is most of them, they have huge drop-off. They're almost like a cliff, you know? Like this rock kind of goes down and then it like, it doesn't like gradually go, it goes, and then boom. It's like, it's kind of like a mountain lake. Oh, gone. That was sick. Ooh, it's a fighter. I don't know if he might be barely hooked. Gosh, he's getting me soaked. Stop it! I'm just gonna put him out right here. Oh yeah, he's hooked. Nope. He instantly hit that one. It's not a bad one. I thought he was gonna splash me right there. See, it's like, you can see the bottom, but it like, yeah, and then you can't really see the bottom there. I love smallmouth because they just fight so hard. Maybe there's some out here. Well guys, I think that's gonna do it for today. It was a pretty fun, chill day. We didn't catch much. We caught some big jumbos. It was pretty sick seeing that pike come up and swipe at the smallmouth that I had. And yeah, that was about all. Tomorrow we're gonna go out for musky, lake trout, walleye. So stay tuned.
Kind of see if you have follows a little better or not. Some of these reefs will go to it's so choppy, you'll be able to see behind your lure. It's like one of the best things about musky fishing is seeing that fish go behind your lure. Right now, you can use those too.
We just made it to the second spot. First spot wasn't successful, but I think we're gonna get a muskie today. This guy knows where the spots are. It's a huge reef over here. It's like 2 feet, so I think we're gonna get a muskie.
Maybe just focus on muskie. I'm just gonna go park us in the middle of this bay kind of over here, guys, and then you guys can just pass around everywhere, okay? Okay, you know what? You guys can start casting whenever you want.
Can I get this side? Please? Yes. Thanks, dude.
Yeah, just start throwing them wherever you want.
I'm determined today to catch a muskie. I'm gonna
I'll pull up a little further. You want to kind of hit it on that shallow spot, and then kind of maybe towards the deeper is where you might see something hit. He's gonna swing us around, and we're gonna.
It's big, it's big, it's big.
Where is it?
It just died down.
Yeah, okay. Holy shit, that's a fucking giant.
Oh, shit.
Lean up. It's okay. Take your time.
That is a big ass fish.
Keep it over here. Reel in. Reel. Keep it reel. That's a fucking absolute giant.
Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh my god!
That's a fucking giant!
Oh my god! Let's go!
Boy!
Oh my god!
Yeah!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Let's
That
go.
is insane. That might be 50. That might be 50.
Oh my god! Oh, let's go! Oh my
this
god!
This is so disgustingly awesome. You have no idea.
The fucking lure came out.
Oh my!
Okay, so let's.
Oh
Okay.
my god!
Oh my god.
Okay, awesome job,
Get on
man,
GoPro?
awesome job.
Did you get on GoPro?
Yes, I started. I didn't get the hit, but I
we
started
got
recording
it.
right
Yeah.
after.
See if you can get your lure out.
Yeah, you know what? I don't want it to.
Oh, my heart is racing.
Yeah, so that's unbelievable. This might be this chair here.
Oh my
This
god!
might be 50 on. Oh, I almost got that. That's gonna be might be 50 on the nose.
Holy shit.
I'll take a video.
Oh
my
my
God.
god. On the Medusa.
Guys, you have no idea.
Right here.
Here, oh my God.
I am shaking.
Potential 50-inch fish.
It might be. Good lord.
50.
Holy God, don't worry, Brogan, don't worry.
Okay, we're good?
Yeah.
Got it.
50.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
that's fucking. It's just.
Wow, guys.
They're right on the bottom.
You just got
Yeah, they're
a
gonna be pasted right now on the bottom.
right after that 50-inch musky. Oh my gosh. I don't think I'll
Yeah,
catch
yeah,
a
just
fish
do that.
like
They're
that
here.
again.
We're in on them.
We're on walleye right now.
We're on the right side of the. The big thing is like people off the bottom.
Oh, I think I. Yeah, that's one.
Grab your minnow.
It's average size, everything.
That's a big perch too. Holy shit! This is even bigger. Look at the size of this one.
Oh.
This one's bigger, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit fatter.
Holy,
Oh my
that's
gosh!
huge. Is there a picture of that? Sure, yeah.
That's the biggest one. That's like. Should measure that honestly. That's
That's
like
probably a master. I don't know what a master perch is.
15. No. Yeah, that's like 15 inches.
Oh yeah. Hold on.
That's a big.
Bring it up.
fish. That's like
This looks giant. Good. Okay, you're good. Yeah, they're all 4 muskies.
That's a perch right there. He's got one right here too. He's got a nice perch. Or no, walleye. Do you have a? Never mind.
Yeah, I got more of those towels kind of kicking around everywhere too.
Another minnow.
Yeah.
Me too. This is a good day, boys.
This one.
Well guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Gonna end it on a 50-inch muskie. And he said he does a celebratory Snickers bar for catching a muskie, so we're gonna end it off on this. Only goy slop I can have today. So yeah. Catch you in the next one.